In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone in Google Docs. If you want to use your voice to type instead of using your keyboard, Google Docs makes that process very simple. This is especially helpful if you want to work faster, take notes hands-free, or reduce typing during long writing sessions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn on microphone access so voice typing can work properly in your document. To begin, open your Google Doc and go to the top menu bar. From there, click on Tools and then select Voice Typing. This opens Google Docs' built-in voice typing feature. If you've never used it before, don't worry. You're just turning on the tool that allows Google Docs to listen for speech and convert it into text inside your document. Once you do that, you'll see a microphone icon appear on the left side of the document. This is the voice typing control panel, and it lets you start and stop dictation whenever you're ready. If you don't see it right away, give it a second and make sure you selected voice typing from the tools menu correctly. Next, click the microphone icon. This is the action that tells Google Docs you want to begin using the microphone. At this point, your browser may check whether Google Docs has permission to access your microphone. This is a normal security step and is required before voice typing can work. If a permission prompt appears, click Allow to give Google Docs access to your microphone. Without this permission, Google Docs won't be able to hear your voice, so this step is essential. After you allow access, the microphone feature should become active and ready to use. As a helpful tip, make sure your computer's microphone is connected and working properly before you start. If you have more than one microphone connected, your browser may use the wrong one by default. So it's a good idea to confirm your correct input device is selected in your system or browser settings. Speaking clearly and at a steady pace will also help Google Docs transcribe your words more accurately. And that's it. Once microphone access is enabled, you can use voice typing in Google Docs much more easily whenever you need it. Just open the tool, click the microphone icon, allow access if prompted, and you're ready to start dictating your text.